Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hello, this is Ainhoa.
And this is Fran. Welcome home everybody.
Welcome to Travel in the Steps.
There we go. So today we are going to be doing, I don't want to say a gazpacho because people from Spain will kill us. It's a
soup.
It's a soup, it's a cold soup that is perfect.
But we call everything gazpacho, so it's like...
Yeah, any type of cold soup, here in Spain we call it gazpacho when it's not. Gazpacho is only when it's with tomato. And this one has...
It does have tomato.
You're right. It has tomato. It has beetroot, watermelon. No.
Yes,
watermelon
tomato.
and tomato. Tomato? You say tomato?
Yeah.
I say tomato.
Well, whatever.
She's so British. Oh.
Tomate.
Tomato. We're watching the Bridgestones and I guess that's where she get it.
Maybe.
Anyway, shall we?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Hi everybody. How's everybody doing? Oh boy. Okay. So, let me come around. Let me turn the camera. If it wants. Okay. So today we have the guardian of the house coming. We're open. We have this beautiful mask. Some beautiful tulips. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let me show you what we are going to be cooking today. Well, mixing today.
Yeah.
So we have some amazing fresh watermelon. We have a beetroot, half of it, and 2 or 3 small pear-shaped tomatoes, okay? So that's, as you can imagine, the soup today is going to be red. Then what we're gonna have just for decoration, for dressing, a little bit of feta cheese. That's the one that we do at home. So if you want to know how we do marinate feta cheese, go on the feed, we have it. And then with some parsley or coriander, you can just put it. And of course, you need some olive oil, vinegar, and salt. You're gonna need a blender, and and just in case it's too thick, depending on the consistency, maybe some extra water.
Maybe. So this is going to be super quick.
Again, hey, well, in summertime, we like to do easy food that doesn't require much oven, and you just go in and...
Yeah, it's too hot for the oven, so we don't use it very much. We avoid it. We use either the air fryer or directly this.
Yeah.
So, just follow me. Put the watermelon that Fran prepared and cut.
Okay, as you can see, the cutting part is the one that she's making fun of me. Because you didn't cut the watermelon. I'm like, you can do it live, for God's sakes. It's not that difficult. So we spend some time. It's going to be very fast.
It's going to be super fast. Okay, so this is a really red soup.
Yeah.
I don't know wherever you are, I'm not sure, but here in Spain we have this already cooked
beetroot, yeah.
Beetroot, so it's super easy. Super easy and super dirty. Okay, so the important thing is that you get tomatoes with
very ripped.
Yeah. With flavor, I would say, right? Otherwise it's like boring.
I mean, now it's tomato season, and really here in Spain we get very, very good tomatoes. We get 1,000 different varieties of tomatoes.
Yeah, we even get one that is called, I don't like this part, ugly tomato?
Yeah, el feo de Tudela.
And that's a super good tomato.
Yeah, we call it el feo, the ugly one.
I'm going to put just 2, huh?
Yeah, okay. So, as we always say, this is just to taste. You don't need to make it all in perfect sizes or anything. So, as you can see, watermelon, beetroot, and tomato.
Okay, I'm going to add some...
The dressing, salt.
1,
2.
I've got low blood pressure, so
A little bit of olive oil.
a little bit.
Not much. Doesn't require a lot of it.
No, and then you can use this olive oil, but I will do it afterwards.
And vinegar. You do it now or later?
No, I do it at the end.
Okay.
Right.
So here comes the noise. Sorry for that. love the color.
Okay, so we are using the NutriBullet because it makes the soups much thinner.
You can, if you have an arm blender, you can also use an arm blender. Because,
right, so what I'm going to do now is, I love the color. It's
so beautiful.
Great. This could be good for maybe a party.
Yeah.
Some drops of vinegar, right? So in fact, this is a salad. So this is why you put salt, vinegar, and olive oil.
There we go again. Okay. So, guess what?
Guess what?
It's done. I would say in summer we don't like to think too much, so we have all of these recipes of super easy, fast, healthy, full of nutritions. I mean,
yeah, and besides, I mean, we are going to pour it now, but you should keep it overnight so it gets like fresher.
Yeah.
Right. So then next day you might find nothing.
Yeah, because the kids come and they just love dipping into it. They just go nuts with it.
So fine.
Okay, hold it. Wait. So
okay,
let's pour it. Let's take a look at the color.
This is for about 2 people. Depends. For Fran, it's for him.
I love this soup so much. Oops.
Sorry. Okay, so this is good for me, but you taste it.
It's good?
Do you like it? Yeah, it's good.
I mean, now, before you serve it, obviously, always give it a try, okay? In case it needs a little bit more salt, in case it needs a little bit of vinegar. Just, as you can see, the quantities were very little. I mean, it was like a couple spoonfuls of olive oil, a drop of vinegar, and enough salt. Okay, now, to dress it, we only put, feta cheese.
Yeah, but any other kind of cheese will do,
Yeah.
right? So we keep this in the fridge during the summer and during the winter also.
Yeah, I mean, feta cheese in this house is like a must-have food.
Yeah, must have. But use some cheese or something that is like will give it
texture.
punch because
Yeah, the flavor is quite soft,
yeah,
so
the
you
flavor
need.
is soft. You can add pepper if you want. I'm not a super fan of pepper with this soup, but go ahead.
A little bit of extra olive oil. This one is infused olive oil that we have with the feta cheese, so it's much more flavorful. Whoa, that was difficult for me to say.
So if you want to make it look pretty,
And you put just a couple of, as we said, this is just decoration. You can put parsley, coriander, anything just to make it.
ciboulette. How do you call that? Another herb. Well,
Cebollino.
cebollino.
How do you say?
that in English?
Oh God, the longest term steams.
Cebollino.
Okay, sorry, we don't know the name now. Well, any type of herb that brings some color, more color contrast to this dish. So here you have the beautiful red, sparkling red, then the white, and then the green.
Maybe we could try this in Halloween.
Well, if you make
But
it
you
pumpkin,
don't have it, yeah.
and you're not gonna have good tomatoes then.
No, and no watermelon. Okay, so let's keep it only for the.
Let's keep
summer.
it for the summer. Okay. So guess what, everybody? I think we are done. I mean, this is one of those good, easy,
Super easy, super quick.
fresh, quick, no big rush. Nope. It's, you don't know what to do for lunch? This is a great idea.
Yeah, you can double the amount and then keep it in the fridge. You will
Yeah.
keep for easily 2-3 days.
2-3 days, yeah, not more. I mean, 3 days because everything is fresh, so 3 days and that's it.
Okay.
What else? Well, remember that we have all the tours for next year. Everything is already posted on our website. We can do the Camino de Santiago. We're going to have a basque staycation. We're going to have from Porto to Santiago de Compostela. So
Maybe I will go with you to Porto next year.
I want to do the Porto to Santiago. I love that tour too. So everybody, have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for joining us today, and we shall see you next Sunday.
Yeah, and send us pictures if you make this.
Yes, do it, please. We love you. Bye-bye. Adios, amigos.